The top stocks to trade right now. My partner, Mark Boucher, writes a newsletter called the Reed's Trader Daily Commentary that he publishes every day. And one of the great things about Mark is one of the best stock pickers I have ever seen. It's probably the best stock market timer I've ever seen, and absolutely one of the best stock pickers that I have seen. And so what we're going to do today is we're actually going to take some time and just go through what some of the top stocks to trade right now are, so you can see them for yourself. So Mark publishes a top stocks to buy list and a bottom stocks to short or sell list. This list that he puts together utilizes relative strength, which is one of the 10 irrefutable laws of trading success. And it also uses what's called the PEG ratio. And there's some other factors that are also brought into here, but basically, this is a list of the top stocks in the universe to trade by this criteria. So every day he publishes what the top stocks are for that day. Starts off with a list for the month, and then that gets updated every day. So right now, this is the long list, the top list for January as of last night. So you can see here the top names in here. There's 10 names in here, and the names in green would be the ones to focus on. So we have VIST, CRT, PDDD, UFPT, TGLS, and GFF. Now, the relative strength seen here, which is similar to Investor's Business Daily relative strength, this is the strength of the stock against all of the other stocks in the universe. So if a stock has a relative strength of 99, it is saying it is stronger than 99% of the stocks in the universe. So it's comparing the stock against other stocks. Then we have what's called the WHAM relative strength. WHAM relative strength is something that I created, and WHAM relative strength measures the strength of the stock against itself. So if we look at the top name on this list, it's CPRX. It has a relative strength of 97, but a WHAM relative strength of 39. So what that tells us is that this stock is very strong relative to the universe, but it's actually weak compared to itself. And so let's just look at that. So that was CPRX. And you can see it had been going up and up and up and up, and then it got crushed yesterday. This is why it has a WHAM relative strength of 39, because it is weak relative to itself. But it's still gone up. You can see just since summer, it's gone from 6 to 16. It's almost tripled. This means it's one of the strongest stocks in the universe. But just because it's strong against other stocks does not mean you should be buying it. It's weak against itself, and now it's quite dangerous. It needs to settle down at this moment. So we can look at another name like PDD. PDD has a 99 relative strength and a 94 WHAM relative strength. This one is near its highs. It's right near its highs. It's been going up quite a bit. It's basically more than doubled since October. But it's up near its highs, so it's got both the strength against other stocks and the strength by itself in its favor. That's why it's on the list. Let's look at one more on the long side. We'll look at VIST. And one of the things I want you to notice in this table, it lists the industry group. One of the other 10 irrefutable laws of trading success is plurality. We want to see stocks that we want to buy be strong in a strong sector. So not just the stock itself be strong, but the sector be strong. And if we look through here, look what we see. We see oil and gas. We see oil and gas. We see building and construction, retail, computer. There is some plurality here. A lot of energy stocks in this list if you go down just a little further, okay, because they've been strong all year. Okay, so we're going to look at VIST. We look at VIST, you can see it's just been going up and up. This stock has gone from 6 to 16, just like CPRX. But 16 is about as high as it's been. Made new highs in the last week. So this one is strong across the board. It's strong against other stocks. It's strong against itself. It's in a strong group, and it's got strong fundamentals. So this is a stock that we really like. Okay, so let's look at the shorts. When we look at the shorts, these are the weakest stocks. Weakest stocks against other stocks, weakest stocks against itself. And we're going to look for plurality here as well. When we look in here, we'll see some plurality. We see computer software, we see computer software, we see computer software. We see auto, auto, auto. So there is weakness here. Here's another auto, retail, wholesale, automobile. So we're going to look at a couple of these here. We're going to look at CVNA, which was the weakest one, to the top of the list. This one's kind of tough. You can see this one was trading over $50 in August, and now it's $6. It has gotten clobbered. The biggest issue with this one is it doesn't have a long ways to go. But you can make a lot of money shorting a $6 stock, but you got to be really, really careful because there's a lot of risk that these can pop. Okay, so let's look at another one. We're going to look at Rivian, RVNA. All right, RIVN. Okay, with Rivian, this one looks better. You can see it's on its lows. Again, it's come down from 40 down to 18, but it's 18, not 6. So it's still got room to go down. Let's look at one more. We will look at Coinbase. Coinbase is a crypto exchange. You can see Coinbase has come down from 100 down to 50. Now it's been rallying off its lows. Been rallying off its lows so far this year. So, but this would be another one that we'd be looking at. It's a $53 stock. What's great about this list is you can take this list. Well, we go through and we test this. You can take this list and you can test it on a variety of patterns, particularly trend following patterns. Okay. If you take this list and you test it on your trend following patterns, you're going to see that it performs amazing, especially if you use it in context with what the overall market is doing. So this long list, if we're in a bull market, you see stocks in here that explode. You'll see some of the best trades you'll ever make on stocks that come out of this long list. If you test this with trend following in a bull market, it will blow your mind how good the trades will be. Now, we're not in a bull market right now. We're actually we're in a bear market with a lot of chop. So as such, we're looking to be more in a long short book, selectively long, selectively short. So here's our short list. So we could be coming through here looking for stocks to selectively short. So in a bear market, if we get in a true bear market, like a volatile bear market, a lot of these names on this list are amazing as well. These have been good. There's been some shorts that got clobbered in the last year that came off this list. But the environment has still been not purely a high volatility bear market. So this list, if you trade stocks, this list is a phenomenal resource for you. Phenomenal. There's so much more in the Reach Trader Daily Commentary other than what I'm showing you here tonight. But the list itself is invaluable. If you want to find out more about this, I put the link here. You can get a free trial to try it and look at it and see what you think. The link is right here at reachtrader.com daily commentary. What we're trying to do here is get you set up with the best knowledge, the best techniques, and the best resources to help you invest and trade at an elite level. So I'll be back with more next week. For the rest of the week, I hope you have an amazing week. Hope you trade great. I'll see you next week. God bless. Bye.